Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a super cute and easy seating area in Heartopia. So we are just going to select the half wall and we're just going to do 3 of them. And I'm just going to color it some colors. I don't know why I said that. Maybe this floral one. We'll see how I feel about that color later. And I'm just going to add in a flooring here. Make sure the top is the same as the bottom, like the colors. Just going to choose like a white color here. Or maybe I'll do pink. And then the ceiling as well. Make sure you do that. Then I'm just going to place it down here and have 3 as well. Then we will need the shelves, so go to others in building materials and we will need the wooden wall storage. I'm just going to color it kind of the same color to everything else here. Then we are going to also add a fence to it. You can use any fence that you'd like. I'm just going to use this one, I think. Just going to color that pink. One here and one here. Next, we are going to add some tables. So let's go to the living room, go to tables. And hopefully you have unlocked this. If not, you can use something else. Confirm. Then I'm going to also get the joinery jar cabinet. We're going to put it in front like this. Press confirm as well. I think I'm going to change the color actually. There we go. Next, we are going to get the, let's see, where is that table? The joinery side table, and we're going to place that there. Confirm. And now we're going to add these sofas here. Make sure the precision is on, like so. And now I'm just going to decorate and I'll be right back with the finished results. And this is the finished results. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!